If your maintenance data is lost in spreadsheets or spread across emails, it's time for an upgrade. CMMS does more than just organize your work orders. It helps reduce downtime and keeping things running smoothly. In this video, we're covering the best CMMS options for 2024, whether you're a large manufacturer, small business, or anything in between. Hey everyone, this is Jeff Budiak with Software Connect, your trusted partner for software reviews, research, and recommendations. Over the years, we've seen a shift in what companies expect from their maintenance management systems. Businesses are embracing smarter, data-driven approaches. They want predictive maintenance using real-time data, sensors to track equipment, and better reports to avoid costly downtime. Industry studies show that manufacturers in particular can lose up to 800 hours a year to downtime, with costs up to $50,000 per hour. That's millions lost annually. But not every CMMS fits every business. Whether you need to track equipment in real time, manage maintenance in multiple sites, or find a budget-friendly option, we've got you covered. Just a heads up, software price can vary based on what you need. I'll give you some general pricing info, but if you need something more specific, reach out to us. At Software Connect, we specialize in matching companies with the right software based upon your needs and budget. Let's start with eMaint, which we recommend for their turnkey proprietary sensor integrations. As part of its product suite, eMaint leverages Fluke's lineup for 13 different sensor types. These include popular models like the Fluke 3563 vibration sensor or the ADP K-series temperature probes. Their sensors can also monitor power outages and even support remote condition monitoring. Because Fluke owns eMaint, sensor integrations are built directly into the system. No complicated third-party connections are required. This is useful for manufacturers needing fast access to data and early warnings for potential issues. You can easily set automated alerts and trigger work orders if, say, a vibration metric crosses a danger threshold, helping you avoid surprise downtime. Even smaller manufacturers can leverage these capabilities with eMaint's Team Plan. It costs $69 per user per month, making advanced features affordable and accessible. If you're a small business on a budget looking for simpler work order management systems, ClickMaint might be the best option for you. At a cost of $35 per user per month, it includes unlimited work orders with step-by-step procedures for tasks like equipment inspections and repairs. These procedures include detailed checklists or instructions to guide technicians through complex tasks. Adding to its usability, ClickMaint is accessible from mobile devices and covers core functionalities like inventory control and preventative maintenance, all at a cost-effective price. Alternatively, we also recommend MaintainX for its simple work order management. It has a modern and easy-to-understand user face. They offer a free plan with limited features, and their paid plan starts at only $16 per user per month. Next up, FMX is a strong option for facility management. FMX's interactive mapping tool is great for managing large facilities or multiple sites. You can upload floor plans to pinpoint critical equipment like electrical setups and utility grids, making it easier for workers to find and fix high-priority assets. The map connects to FMX's work order and maintenance modules, letting you link assets to maintenance tasks. You can add custom layers to the map to see data like energy use and identify problem areas. It's all in a cloud solution starting at $3,000 per year with pricing based on users, features, and work orders. Speaking of pricing, I wanted to take a quick moment for a shameless plug. If you're looking for competitive price quotes and tailored recommendations, we've got you covered. At Software Connect, we offer a free needs analysis to help you identify the best fit for your business. Just visit softwareconnect.com or click on the link in the description to get started. All right, let's jump back in. If you work in process-based industries like pharmaceuticals or food and beverage, UpKeep is a solid choice. It helps maintain compliance with regulators like OSHA, FDA, and GMP. Its reporting module keeps all work orders, safety incidents, and inspection logs in one place, so it's easy to export to audit-ready PDFs for compliance checks. If you're in food and beverage, you can link safety procedures to specific recipes and set up sanitation checklists that trigger after each production run. For pharmaceuticals, you can create step-by-step procedures for handling hazardous materials, reducing the risk of violations during FDA audits. The Lite plan costs $20 per user monthly for asset tracking and work order management. Larger teams or those needing multi-site reporting should consider the basic plan at $45 per user per month. Finally, we have Brightly Asset Essentials, which is best for managing public utilities. It integrates directly with Esri ArcGIS, giving you real-time GIS mapping to track infrastructure like water lines and power grids. With custom map layers, you can overlay data like weather patterns or utility grids, making it easy to spot problems before sending out to crews. The GIS tool works alongside its outage management module, letting you pinpoint exact outage spots. The mapping tool is also available on mobile devices and works offline, so your teams can locate assets in areas without a signal. Brightly has custom pricing, but mid-range options like Asset Essentials usually range from $10,000 to $30,000 per year, excluding setup. Generally speaking, factors like user count, assets managed, and integrations may impact your final cost. For more details, check out our CMMS pricing report and contact us for a quote. We only had time to discuss a handful of systems in this video, but if you're looking for more options, check out our full roundup of the top CMMS software. We cover choices for AI-driven analytics, enterprise asset management, on-prem solutions, and mobile-friendly picks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content, and leave your comments below. And if you need more help finding the right CMMS for your business, reach out to our team for a free needs analysis at softwareconnect.com or click on the link in the description below. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.